YouTube and Gmail got hacked again, dang later. This thing is always being hacked. Okay. Okay. So like I was saying, I'm going to I'm going to go ahead and go you know, I'm just going to pause the video real quick. I'm going to get to the pin. There we go. I am here. That's the first thing. Okay, so I'm just going to put on one of my YouTube videos because I am actually ignore my videos. Okay, this one I'm going to delete right here. Let me just go back. This one I'm going to delete. I'm sorry guys, but it's just not safe. My most viewed video was probably how to get this without Charles on MSP. This one, not gonna upload. This is my most viewed video. And yeah, so, I'm just gonna go ahead and go back, and then I'm gonna go back in MSP. And you guys ask, let's see the record out. So guys, how to speed up a video? Let's see, do I have any non-speed up videos? Well, once this video is uploaded, I will show you guys on how to do it, because I'm not speeding up my videos. Just by the way, most of my videos. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how to speed up your video.